Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have a new and easy chicken dinner recipe for you guys. Now I'm going to show you how to make my garlic and dill lemon chicken with asparagus. Now this dish is great any time of the year, but it's especially perfect for springtime. It has the asparagus, the lemon, the dill, which really brighten up the dish and make it extra special. This one pan dinner starts by browning the chicken. We're going to mix it together with some garlic, shallots, lemon, some fresh herbs, and I like to toss in some asparagus as well. We'll finish everything off in the oven. You guys are going to love all the flavors here, and then you can enjoy it just as it is with the asparagus, or you could serve it with a side of pasta, potatoes, or rice. For the full list of ingredients and the written instructions, make sure to head on down in that video description box and follow that link over to my website. I'll have everything up online. Meanwhile, let's get started on this dish. I'll start by preheating a large pan over medium-high heat, and we want this pan to be really nice and hot before we add the chicken in so it gets that nice crispy golden outside. Today I'm going to be using 8 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. This recipe will also work really well with chicken drumsticks. You can even use chicken breast for this recipe. I'll also drizzle in some cooking oil, and I like to use avocado oil in my kitchen. And while I'm waiting for my pan to preheat, I'm going to generously season my chicken with sea salt. You want to season it all over on both sides. I'm going to fry the chicken in batches so I don't overcrowd the pan. I'm going to do 4 chicken thighs at a time. We'll place them skin side down first. Season with some ground black pepper. And then we'll turn the chicken over once the first side is nice and golden brown, and continue frying on the other side for about 3 to 4 more minutes. And I'll remove the brown chicken onto a separate plate. We'll set it aside for now. And I'll add in my second batch of chicken. Repeat the same process until that skin is nicely browned. I'm going to reduce the heat in my pan to a medium. I'm going to add in a couple tablespoons of salted butter. We'll need 1 large diced shallot. You can also use a small sweet onion, and I have about 15 garlic cloves. I like lots and lots of garlic in here. We'll add in a little bit of fresh rosemary, some fresh thyme. We'll toss this together and just let the garlic and the shallots cook and soften for about 5 to 6 minutes. And to add some great lemon flavor, I'm going to add the zest of 1 large lemon. Adds like that bright, zesty, lemony flavor. And I also am preheating my oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit while I was browning my chicken. And to help balance out the sourness from the lemons, I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of honey. And this way our chicken won't be too sour, but it's still going to have that nice lemon flavor. My shallot is nicely softened, and now I am ready to add in the lemon. I have 1 thinly sliced lemon. I'm going to drop the lemon slices directly into that garlic and shallot oil. I'll add in a bundle of chopped asparagus. Drop that over the lemon slices, and we can return our chicken back into the pan. We'll place it over the top of the lemon and the asparagus. And our last ingredient before this chicken goes into the oven is 1 cup of chicken broth. I'm going to pour that over the sides. This will give some extra moisture. And once this chicken broth comes up to a simmer, the pan is ready to go into the oven. This chicken is going to roast at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And the timing can really depend on the size of your chicken, so make sure to adjust accordingly. I'm going to sprinkle some fresh dill over the top. This is going to add so much great flavor. I'm a huge fan of fresh dill, but if you prefer thyme, you could sprinkle that over the top instead. I'm also going to add some more fresh lemon zest. brighten everything up. And this incredible chicken dish is ready to be enjoyed. Going to grab some of the asparagus, the lemon, some of the garlic, and grab one of the pieces of chicken or two. I love that crispy skin on top too. And that's it for my easy garlic, dill, and lemon chicken with asparagus. This turned out incredible and the aroma is mouth-watering too. For the full list of ingredients and the written instructions, make sure to head on down to the video description box and head over to my website where you'll also be able to print this recipe off. And now time to dig in and enjoy. This chicken is just so juicy and I love the aroma of the lemons with the garlic and that fresh dill on top. This is going to be incredible. I'm going to dip it into some of that sauce from the pan. These chicken breasts are so incredibly juicy and delicious. I'm loving all the flavors. You get the freshness from the lemon and a little bit of the garlic coming in through there as well. I'm gonna grab some asparagus to go with this. I love having the asparagus here too. It pairs really well with the chicken and the lemon flavor and it just kind of brings everything together. You can of course add a simple side of pasta, rice, or mashed potatoes to go along with this dish. If you want to add some more carbs and make it like a full meal. I love this easy one-pan dinner. It's going to be so perfect for spring and I know you guys are going to love it too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to head on down that video description box for the recipe link and I'll see you next time with a new recipe.